Prosecutors played surveillance video in court today from the day Maya Millete went missing. She's not been seen since.
They also played surveillance video from the very next day when, as CBS 8's David Godfreyson reports, Larry Millete is accused of driving away with his wife's body in the family's SUV.
Captured motion of May's Jeep.
A doorbell camera in Chula Vista captures Maya Millete driving through her neighborhood on the afternoon of January 7th, 2021. That same night, prosecutors allege her husband, Larry Millete, murdered the mother of three and disposed of her body. The Millete family home is outlined in red in this Google Earth graphic. Chula Vista police looked at days of surveillance video from three neighboring houses outlined in yellow. One of those cameras recorded Maya entering her house around 4:45 p.m. It's the last known video of Maya before she went missing.
And at any time, does anyone see May leave the house?
No.
But they did find video of Larry Millete leaving the family's house the next morning on January 8th, 2021 at 6 a.m.
The vehicle pulls out onto the street and then backs and repositions the vehicle closer to the house.
45 minutes after backing into the driveway, the Lexus is seen leaving around 6:45 a.m., according to Chula Vista Police Detective Jesse Vicente.
It appears that the vehicle was indicating that it was going to go right onto Calle La Quinta, but then appeared that the driver changed his mind and went left onto Calle La Quinta.
Larry Millete admits he was driving the Lexus, but not to dump his wife's body. He told police he went to the beach that day with his 4-year-old son for 12 hours. Surveillance video shows the Lexus returning home that night around 6 p.m. One day later, Larry Millete appears again on a neighbor's surveillance video, this time with recorded audio.
What can you hear Larry say?
He essentially asks his neighbor to detail his car, the Lexus specifically, because it was scratched during a Anza Borrego Jeep trip.
On cross-examination, defense attorney Bonita Martinez said Larry Millete was in the habit of backing his car into the driveway, and on the morning in question, he packed drinks, snacks, and 2 coolers into the Lexus. The defense attorney also suggested Maya could have exited the house through a back door and not be seen on the surveillance cameras. The detective then responded flat out he thought Larry Millete was responsible for Maya's disappearance.
When you say he's responsible for her disappearance, are you then implying that he committed murder?
Yes.
That same detective also testified that testing was done on blood found in the master bathroom of the Millete home. The DNA testing revealed the blood did not come from either Larry or Maya Millete.
A lot revealed in court today, David, and seeing that video of Maya and that Lexus is quite chilling. What other evidence came out in court today?
On cross-examination, we learned there was no evidence of a struggle inside the family home. And when Larry first spoke to officers, he was cooperative, and he actually suggested that they search his neighbors' homes for surveillance video.
All right, and this continues on Monday?
It does continue on Monday and could wrap up Monday or Tuesday.
All right, David, thanks so much for that update tonight.